Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine, an international student studying at the University of New South Wales, Sydney, Australia, and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're moving to Australia as an international student, pause your packing for one moment because I'm going to tell you something that nobody really talks about. Your life here literally runs on apps, from banking to transport, food, uni, jobs, everything. Trust me, I was so lost when I moved to Sydney, overpaying for food, missing buses, confused about money. So let me save you time, money and stress and tell you about the apps you should know before landing in Australia. First things first, banking. As an international student, you should either open your account with Commonwealth Bank of Australia or Westpac. They're safe, secure, easy to use, student-friendly and widely accepted. From rent payments to salary credits, these banks make life simple. Now here's something amazing. In Australia, you don't always have to carry your physical cards. You can add your debit cards or credit cards in your Apple Wallet or Google Wallet. Just tap and pay everywhere. For shopping without stressing about your monthly budget, use Afterpay. It splits your payment into 4 equal parts with no interest. Just use it responsibly. And don't forget about MyGov. This app is non-negotiable. It has all your information regarding your tax file number, ABN, and your tax returns. Public transport in Australia is amazing, but confusing at first. Your best friend is TripView Lite. It gives you live information about all the buses, trains, light rails, ferries. Super helpful when you're new or overwhelmed. Along with that, Google Maps or Apple Maps literally saved me. They tell you which stop to board from, which stop to get off, and even notify you when your stop is coming. If you're in Sydney, use Opal Travel to reload your transport card at anywhere and anytime. Pro tip, using a transport card is cheaper and helps you keep a track of your budget. For short and fun bicycle rides, apps like Lime and HelloRide are perfect. Super affordable, quick and convenient. Late night, assignments, no energy to cook, been there. Uber Eats and DoorDash are lifesavers for food and groceries. And if you really want to save money, download Eat Club. It gives you exclusive discounts at your favorite restaurants. And trust me, as a student, this genuinely adds up. For grocery shopping, get Flybuys. It helps you earn points at places like Coles and Kmart, which later turn into rewards and discounts. Australian university campuses are huge, like small cities. Apps like Lost on Campus help you find buildings, lecture halls, libraries, and shortcuts within your campus. You'll also need Microsoft Outlook. This is where all the official university emails, deadlines, and notices come. Download your university's official apps. For example, Universe for UNSW, Sydney Uni app for USyd. These apps give you timetable, exam updates, campus alerts, all in one place. And please, start early with LinkedIn. Post your experiences, achievements, internships, and build connections throughout uni. That matters more than people realize. Every international student needs an overseas health cover insurance. Download your provider's app. For example, I use NIV. It helps me track claims, benefits, and coverages easily. For SIM cards, Libara and Optus are great. I personally use Libara for $20 a month, which is student friendly. Also, keep a digital copy of your passport and visa on your mobile's Files app. It's a small thing, but it saves you in emergencies. Australia is meant to be explored. If you love nature, download AllTrails. Perfect for coastal walks, hikes, cycling tracks, and places like the Blue Mountains. For movies, use Hoyts or even cinemas to get student discounts. To stay updated with what's happening around you, follow pages like City of Sydney or Bondi Lines on Instagram for events, festivals, and activities. Moving to Australia is exciting but overwhelming. These apps don't just make life easier, they make it cheaper, smoother, and less stressful. If you found this helpful, share it with someone moving to Australia and let me know in the comments which app interested you the most. Thank you for watching.